Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commodity commentary for Monday. It's about 4 o'clock Eastern Time. The cotton market was higher today, although it was the only thing that was strong. Most all the other markets were down, but we'll get to that. We were surprised at Friday's late sell-off. The market really tapped out late in the day with on low volume. So to be higher last night was really no surprise. The fact that it held it was somewhat surprising and closed about 100 higher. So we're not complaining. We're just a little bit in the proverbial dark, as usually we are. There is some talk that China was thinking about delisting cotton out of her strategic reserves to be used, and which makes less for imports, but I don't know why that would be. I think that's more or less a rumor, or certainly is a rumor, but it's a ploy to keep the market, I think, in check a little bit, but that didn't happen today. So we'll see what certainly tomorrow brings. Over in the grains, we were all lower today. Corn was down about 8 cents, beans down about 13, 14, wheat down 2 to 3. The story being this is, we've already, USDA has already published the August supply demand report. Those were friendly numbers, although the market would like to have a little more. And then the Pro Farmer Tour ended on Friday and basically confirmed that the crop is wounded. So we've had two major news events, and then that's it. I mean, the market from here on's got to have some other big news to come along. I don't know what that's going to be in the next few days. This Hurricane Isaac, could send some water up in the Missouri area all the way up to as far north as the Great Lakes. So maybe the market's looking at that. It's too late for corn, of course, but certainly not too late it's not too late for beans to add a couple of pods per acre in here to help that along. So it just seems to me the market, though, is certainly in the doldrums. It's in the lull, and I don't see any reason for it to get goosed up. Also, with the conventions, political conventions happening, the election right around the corner, a lot of these commodity funds are just kind of sitting flat for a moment. Over in the fuels. Last night we were watching the markets and they were sharply higher. Of course, the news media was hyping Isaac to be a Category 2, Category 3. It looks like it's going to stay Category 1 and not very long unless it really was a rebuild, get stronger tonight. At any rate, crude oil's up $1.50 or so last night, but coming in this afternoon at 4 o'clock Eastern, we were down about 50, 60 points. We've been down over $1, so that's a little bit of a buy the rumor, sell the fact type mentality. And if nothing goes awry, I think the fuels will start to break back a little bit because demand, this country's off, certainly, and the Chinese economy's certainly slowing. They're talking about doing some stimulus measures over there. So let's see how the storms play out. We'll look at this crop condition numbers out later today, and we will be back on here tomorrow. Have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.